Welcome to Wynes Technical Institute, where skills meet opportunity. We are located in Nakuru Barnabas Center, Chawaka Supermarket, first floor. Wynes Technical Institute is a TVET institution accredited to offer NITA examinations, committed to shaping your future through practical market-driven training. We offer a wide range of professional courses, including diplomas in cosmetology, hairdressing, and beauty therapy. Short courses in nail technology, facial massage therapy, braiding, plaiting, barbering, and dreadlocking. Are you passionate about hospitality? We offer hands-on driving in baking and pastry, event management, table setup, tents and decorations. For creative minds, we provide fashion and design courses with diplomas in dressmaking, tailoring, and interior design. Enroll in our ICT programs, including diplomas, certificates, computer packages, and web design. For more information, contact us on 0712 45 0603 or 0757 13 2016. Wynes Technical Institute, empowering skills, shaping futures.